Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Well, so much AI content is there. You are submitting the papers through AI, you are submitting presentations and everything. But as there are thieves everywhere, there is policemen, right? Well, you will understand why I have given this example, because there is a website which can detect how much percentage of your content is AI content. Because of so much usage of AI, we are missing out on natural content, and this website will help you to detect whether or not the content was natural content or AI content. I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on this website, and towards the end I'm also going to show you how to some extent you can bypass the website. And I'm really excited today, so what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, I welcome you all, and today what we are going to learn is something special. Lot of AI content, but how to detect whether a content is natural content or AI content. Simple. I have given this simple prompt in AI. Write about non-financial fraud, explaining in detail the definition of a non-financial fraud for a presentation. Right? It has given me a beautiful definition, all the types, impacts, everything. Okay. Now, when we go to Google Chrome and simply type detect AI content, you will see a lot of website: Quillbot, Copyleaks, ZeroGPT, Scriber, etc. What I use is Copyleaks. Okay, copyleaks.com. You don't have to do any login or anything. What we can do is simply copy the content, and here you can see there is a paste thing. So paste and scan, and within minute we can see that it has tested all the lines and said that AI content has been detected. So this way you can detect. As I told, there are many websites, right? Sometimes I also use ZeroGPT. This is also very good, but maximum times I use Copylinks, right? No need to log in or anything. Now the thing is that I have been telling you, use AI, and now if we get detected every time, then definitely this is not good. So what we can do is very simple. Like we have written detect AI, we just use something called paraphrase. Paraphrase is very simple. It changes the lines by changing the words but not the meaning. The essential meaning of the lines remain the same, but few words just gets their synonym words so that it can be humanized. Simple. So I use Quillbot. It's amazing. You just have to log in. I have already have logged in here, right? So what we can do is simply click here, Control C, the same content. First what we do is paraphrase. Okay, so we have pasted it here and paraphrase, right? 88 words is there. We do 2 to 3 times so that there is no chances, and simply now with almost the same meaning of the lines we can see that copy full text and we paste it here and scan, and you can see this is a human text. So this can be amazing. Not only when you are the boss you can detect the content, but when you have to submit you can simply manipulate the content as well. Because as I told, I have been telling use AI, and now if we get detected every time, this is not good. So like I told, there are a lot of AI detectors. There are also lot of AI changers, or you can say paraphrasing tools. Humanize AI is another one which I use, and there is also Humbot AI. Okay, so you have to keep trying, right? There is one Humbot AI which can humanize the content, right? I've told you 2 to 3 websites, but basically my favorite is Quillbot and Copyleaks. So I hope you have learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like the content so that YouTube can come to know that you have started following quality content. That's all for today. See you in the next video.